Hey, today we're going to look at that Tesmat Privacy Screen, and my thought was, hey, if I did a long trip, I don't need to sleep in a hotel. I can just sleep in my Tesla if I have room. So I bought a mattress, which I'll show in a future YouTube video. Here's the Tesmat that I got in the mail. As you can see, I'm going to open it up here in a second, show you. I just wanted to kind of let you see what it is. This is a real lightweight, very small footprint bag, and you open it up, and there it is. So the first thing I learned is the bag is actually connected to the whole screen itself. So you take these clips, you put them on the sun visor extension, and then you push them back in, and it kind of gives you that stretched out look. I didn't put the card and put the Tesmat into the pillar paneling. I just let it lay there, but I wanted to see how it looked in the dark too. So you go to the back, there's two suction cups back there, and then you can push it back in the back window, and you can use your Tesla key to put it into the panel so that it forms a seal. I didn't need to do that. It looked pretty good. As you can see, I put it in camp mode, and in a second here I'm going to exit. I'm going to close the door, and you'll be able to see what it looks like. So it worked really well. The key test was, how does this work in the dark, right? And so as you can see, I'm going to exit the vehicle here in a sec as I got it through the back seat and everything, and we'll take a look. So I closed the trunk, turned the lights off. I forgot that the garage light could be turned off too, so I took care of that as well. So I have it in camp mode. I put it on ESPN and YouTube TV. You need to learn how to do that. It's fairly easy to do. In the dark, I looked around. I could not see, but just a very faint glow in just a certain spots. Now I have tinted windows, so it took that out as well. As you can see, there's the TV running. So at night, you could, have a lot of privacy. So the Tesmat screen is pretty cool. So thank you, and enjoy your Tesla.